Welcome to Ice Worlds, a tour of the icy landscapes of our solar system, especially our home planet Earth. The International Polar Year has focused attention on measuring changes at the poles of our own planet and on determining why these changes occur.
We will explore the ice on Earth and on the other ice worlds in our solar system to understand why Earth's poles are changing and to determine the role that ice plays in the future of our world.
Earth has two polar caps. This one covers the northern part of the planet, the Arctic region. It is a huge ice-covered ocean surrounded by land. Submarines can easily travel beneath it. Recent studies indicate that a sustained thinning and shrinkage of this ice cap is underway. In summer, some craft have surfaced at the North Pole itself. It's even possible that by the middle of the century, there will be no ice here at all during late summer. Major changes are happening in the Arctic, and scientists are watching closely.
At the Earth's South Pole, a vast ice sheet covers the huge continent of Antarctica, which is surrounded by the Southern Ocean. Unbroken by other land masses and driven by powerful winds, the trip across this ocean to Antarctica is one of the roughest ocean passages in the world. Around the edge of Antarctica, great rivers of ice, called glaciers, flow out to the sea, draining the inland ice sheet. Some of the last unexplored land on Earth lies buried under this blanket of ice. Mountains and even volcanoes peek through and hint of the diverse geology hidden beneath. Specialized instruments have penetrated the 2.5 kilometers of ice to allow us to glimpse a picture of this lost world. It's a land as big as the United States, with mountains and even lakes and rivers. In this dry valley in Antarctica, wind patterns and mountains have prevented ice from accumulating. Here we can step on pristine land, walking on a surface that has changed very little in thousands of years.
We know that Earth is not the only planet that can be locked in a cold embrace. This looks like Antarctica, but it's actually Mars, a cold, dry desert that has been in the grip of an ice age for millions of years. At its poles, there are great accumulations of water and carbon dioxide ice. Extensive layering of the ice suggest regular patterns of change over extended periods of time. In 2008, the Phoenix spacecraft successfully landed in the Martian Arctic. It detected falling snow as winter approached. The spacecraft also detected chemical compounds favorable for the existence of microbial life on Mars.
This is a comet, a dusty ball of ice up to 160 kilometers across. As it approaches the sun, the ice vaporizes, filling space with a huge trail. Scientists have speculated that comets furnished the early Earth with half its water and perhaps other more complex chemicals.